How to fix Vizio TV stuck on the setup screen. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to unplug your Vizio TV completely from the power. Then you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, simply press and hold the physical power button which will be available on the TV itself. So the power button will be located over here behind your TV. So you just have to simply press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. So this particular step is going to clear the residual power from the main board, and it can reset the temporary startup corruption that keeps the setup wizard frozen. Afterwards, when the setup screen appears again, you can try completing the setup without connecting it to the Wi-Fi first. Many of the Vizio models, a failed firmware check or the unstable internet connection can cause the TV to freeze or restart during the setup. So you can try these easy fix and see if it is working properly again. Thank you.